Hi everybody, Amber with Healthymale, and today we have product review time. So if you make any purchases from Healthymale or any specific purchase, you will get a gift with the purchase, and it is a penis pump. We are not the makers of the penis pump, but we do include them in your package, and these things are wonderful. No need to be embarrassed, you guys. I've talked to many men who have used these things actually, and at first I was a little mad, but now I understand that men need enhancement tools as well, just like women. So once I started to do more research, I realized that penis pumps are almost essential. So I heard that a lot of male dancers will use these pumps before they go on stage because it will help to give them an erection or the look of the erection, and so they can be more effective in arousing women or men. And today I want to show you exactly how a penis pump works. It is completely safe. Don't be weirded out by this. You're gonna want to get one afterwards. So here it is. Here is the elusive penis pump. Our penis pump is digital. It has sensors that come with it, so if you pump up too much, it has a pressure shutoff, so it's safe and effective. It has 2 different size rubber holes, so depending on the girth of what you're trying to put in there, you wanna make sure that before you enter your penis into here, that it is slightly hard. It will make it a lot easier. And I do have a penis, not a real one, don't worry, babe. So what you wanna do is you also need to make sure that it is lubed up. You will have a hard time fitting it into this rubber part if the penis is not a little erect and lube on it. So after you get the lube, and this penis pump does come with some lube already equipped. After you do that, you're gonna turn it on. It has the digital display screen. It looks like you can save 2 different types of pressure in there for 2 different users. Hopefully it's just yourself. And then when you're ready, you're going to lube up. You're going to insert your penis in here, and then you're simply going to push the plus sign. You can hear how quiet this is. You have to listen really hard. Sometimes women's vibrators are so loud you're embarrassed thinking people in the other room can hear you. The nice thing about this penis pump is that it's nice and quiet. What you're going to do is lube it up, get it a little hard, insert your penis into the hole, all the way down to the base of the shaft. Then you're going to allow that penis to just get fully inflated in the pump. Believe it or not, this works. You do have to be safe, and just like anything, when you're doing things to your body, you have to make sure that you do it in moderation, but it will help for you to grow some inches in your penis if you use it on a regular basis and you use it safely according to the directions, along with any other medication that you might have bought from Healthymale. This combination is a win-win for sure, you guys. And the easiest part about it is it's just a plug-in, recharge, and you are good to go for the next day. Use it for a week. Let me know how it goes. Drop some comments, leave some reviews, and let us know if your dick has grown.